Have you ever wanted to feel special and on the inside of something special? Of course, absolutely. Well, if you're serious about getting your food product into your local grocery and convenience stores in your area and even beyond in your region, I've got something special for you. Our team is uniquely talented and gifted, and we know the entire food system process, from sitting at a kitchen table with a food idea all the way to company sales presentations, what buyers are looking for, and well, all the steps involved in selling millions of dollars of your food product to the tune of 700 million in sales. We have the blueprint for food product success, and now we've made it available to you. So go here to learn more. Tim's complete food product launch course. Now is the time to move your dream food product forward to your food product success.